What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Neewer back with another video, and as y'all can see by the title, today your girl will be unboxing her new ring lights. Yeah, I love ring lights. Just like my third one. I'm using one right now, but today we got the new joint. Y'all know I love some light. I love taking pictures, so light is just like, yes. And y'all look at this big old box. Hold on, you gotta cover up the address, cause no. Okay, so y'all look, this the box it came in. Let me get some thumbnails. Before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And click that notification bell so y'all know when the girl posts another video. Okay, period. So be on the lookout for more videos. Like, y'all have so many videos that I haven't like edited yet, and so that's my fault. You know, I'm on the road to 1K, period. Click that subscribe button. Yes, get your girl to 1K. But yeah, that's my fault. I haven't been consistent with YouTube, so I got a camera coming on the way. I just ordered me a new camera. I'm gonna be doing a video on me unboxing my new camera, Canon camera. Yeah, be on the lookout for more videos. My next videos that'll be coming up are my back to school hauls with Shein and Fashion Nova. So make sure you guys subscribe and click the notification bell so that will pop up, period. And y'all know the girl be coming with the clothes, okay? So yeah, and I got me a new light too, so you know the haul finna be fire. So y'all might as well go and subscribe, and let me know in the comments I subscribe back, period. I ain't petty, you know. Well, we all trying to make it. So I'm finna scoot back and we gonna get this unboxing going. I know y'all came to this video to see this right here, and look at this big old box. So I'm gonna scoot this box back because I don't know if y'all can see it or whatever, but this the ring light. It came in this big old box, and I got it from Amazon. I will put the link below in the description, the exact link to this ring light. And y'all, I'm also using my ring light that I've been had for like 2 years. It's a newer ring light too. It's an 18-inch as well, but this one is the advanced one. So I watched a couple videos. This one is way brighter and it's more, you know, up to date. Got a remote with it and stuff. So yeah. And the ring light I got now, so you come close, you know your girl. Y'all, if my lace showing, just be blind, okay? Because don't come for me. Oh, and y'all, I forgot to mention your girl did her second modeling gig about 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's for this company or whatever. I'll link her clothing brand in the description boxes. And y'all, it was so much fun. She reached out to me on Instagram or whatever. And yeah, I was in Nashville and we had the photo shoot. I like her clothes. They're very cute and comfortable. So hit me up if y'all need models, because look, like, yes, period. I gotta I'm gonna put my business email in my description as well. LaCuriaJonesCollaborations@gmail.com, or it's collaboration, it's one of them, but I'll put all that. And my Instagram is lacuria.jones. It's not funny, but it's funny. Okay, y'all, so some of my phone had ended up sliding down a little bit. I didn't know, so you probably just gonna be able to see my face in some of the footage, but I'm finna redo it over. So yeah, I'll just pick and choose what parts are good to keep. So once the phone slid down, I was on this part right here. Okay, so this came like this, right, in that long rectangular box. And so you open it up and you turn it upside down. I just use my leg You do this, and this how your sander look. And here are the levels right here for when you are ready to like extend the neck on the thing. So see, and then you got 3 more. So this is a very tall ring light. And then the other thing that came in the rectangular box was this right here. And yeah, I was talking about how I done forgot what piece that is. That's how long my ring light been broke to stand on mine. And here go the bag. Okay, so this is the ring light. Period. Okay, so y'all, they come with the panels like I said. This one comes with all white. The one I'm using now comes with yellow and white. And yeah, so we're about to set this up. We're about to finish getting everything out the bag or whatever. Yeah, I'm watching that phone, make sure it don't fall. So next in the bag, well, let me just show y'all the bag. The bag on the inside is very big. Like, y'all, if my ring light not in here, I'll probably use this, you know, as a suitcase with some clothes. So it comes with the net part in there, everything. So this is the bag with all your, you know, equipment in it or whatever. So I like how they put it in a bag. Usually they put all the things in the bag, in the big bag, and I don't like that because things could fall out. But now they're putting it in this. So you got the part where you put your phone on. Y'all see that? Cute. Oh, and those, y'all, I feel like these ring light places should get more, you know, better quality stuff when it comes to these, because y'all, I broke all my ring lights from like tipping them over on accident somewhere, taking my pictures, and then this part breaking. Like, it shouldn't break that easily. If so, you just send us 2. Don't give us 1. It comes with a remote. I like this. My last one, it did not have a remote. It got the button on the side. So y'all, that remote cute. The remote is by Neewer as well. I'm slow. And y'all, we got clickers. Yeah, I got so many clickers. I even ordered some off Amazon myself. Let me come closer so y'all can see. So you got the clicker, the part your phone goes on. And then we got, you got your not your charger, but how you set it up. You put these 2 pieces, a double-sided end into this double-sided end. So I'm gonna go and do that. So this your charger, and y'all, it's pretty long, you see. So I'm gonna put that over there. And then in this box, y'all see that? In this box, I don't know what this is. Let's see. This box comes with some type of paper in it. And this little piece, I don't know what this is, but we gonna see. Okay, so you got this. Oh, okay. This is what goes under your phone thing. And lastly, y'all got the instructions or whatever, which you probably won't need the instructions. So yeah, we just gonna put this together. Okay, so once you open this up, you lock it down here with this one right here, so it won't keep moving. See, now it's not moving. So you take this piece right here. Let me put it in front of y'all. This piece right here, you take the pointy end of it and you just stick it in there, and you just tighten this screw right here. So, and you put this part on top of here. So I put it up in here, and now I'm just finna screw it. This is the neck of the thing. It's gonna cause it to be able to bend and stuff. So, and then you're gonna unloosen these screws and just, let me see. I'm gonna see if I can take the whole thing off. Let me see. Okay, so you put this down like that. Okay, and now you just make sure you're straight, and then you just screw this tight. So see, now it's not gonna fall. Make sure this one's screwed tight, and you see, you can bend it. And yeah, I like how this is so sturdy, like I can barely bend it. My old one, the old newer one, it's like you can bend it and it'll, the weight of this to drop that down, so that's good. So let me let this down so y'all can see. Okay, so next I screw this, the phone holder, onto this. So this fat part will be facing up. This part right here, the square flat part, it's gonna go in this slot right here. So you just slide that in there. Let me bend this back so y'all can see. So you take this and you just slide that in there like that. Now, I don't know, let me see what holds that in place. Now, once you slide it in, you're gonna use this. Okay, you see it has a moving part right here. Once you slide it in, you're gonna just twist it around to tighten it. And y'all, it always twists to the part where you don't need it to be, but that's why you can move this around. Okay, so this is the ring light. So you can move it back and forth with these right here. This one right here will move it back and forth. So see, I can take it down, I can bring it back, period. And so let me see, and let me screw that back up. Don't use this one, this gonna take the whole thing off. And yeah, so see, now everything is in place. I got the neck to go back and forth, side. I can take it to the side like this, everything. So now we finna, oh, I forgot to mention y'all, the battery needs AAA, 2 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna take the batteries out of my remote control and use them. Click this button, the remote comes on and off. So I'm gonna cut it off. Oh, it says dead. So we just gonna take both of these. So let's go to the back of the ring light. So you got the on button. This is activating. These are your channels on how bright you want it. So you're gonna take this one. You're gonna take this one, this end of the cord, and put it right here. Okay, and that's it. This part of the charger, it comes in and out, so make sure you don't take it out so you won't lose it. And this is the part that goes in the wall. So I'm just gonna plug this up and we finna turn it on. Okay, you gotta hold it. Okay, hold the on button to turn it on. So y'all see it? Now we're gonna turn it up on the back. Let's see, this says warm and cold on this one. This says minimum max. So we're gonna take it to the this side right here, which is the cold side. It's the cold side, and when it gets darker, that's the warm side. So we're gonna take it to the cold side, and then we're going to take it to the max. So y'all, this y'all see it's getting brighter and brighter and brighter. So let me turn it around for y'all. So on the minimum maximum side, it goes from 1 by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. And on the cold side, it goes from 3200 to 5600. And let me practice it with y'all. That's so cute. We're finna put it on. Let's see how I look, y'all. Ooh, how I look. Let me know in the comments how I look. We're gonna take it to, we got it on the max. Okay, so I'm finna, what side is this? This the warm side. So we're gonna go to the cold side. Y'all, this mixed, this one, this middle version is like mixed. It's like some of the lights are white and some are yellow. That one is bright. Okay, so we're gonna start it on the cold side. We're gonna start it. We're gonna turn it down and we're gonna go all the way up, okay? Ready? Boom. what it's looking like. Yeah, this bright. Now we're gonna take it to the warm side. Let's see. Give me that golden look, you know? Period. So, like I said, I'm a warm type of girl. This one right here, I like this one. How I look, y'all? So, y'all, this is the ring light. So, I'm gonna put my camera on this one and switch it and show y'all what it looks like recording with the ring light. Okay, y'all, so this is the light once I put my camera, my phone on it. And y'all, if y'all have like big OtterBox cases, just be prepared to take it off, because the part where your phone goes, they done shrunk the width on that and made it smaller, so I couldn't get my phone on. So I just got my phone sitting on top of the ring light, leaning on the thing. So y'all, this is it. Look at that. It got my highlight popping, you know, period. You see back here. So back here is giving, and y'all like doing videos at nighttime, so it's like, cause I got windows now, so light is coming in. The darker the room is, the more the light will show. So now we're finna take it to the warm side. Let's see. This is the cool. Okay, we're as cool as we can go now. How y'all like that one? I like that one. So I'm probably gonna be doing mine on the cool side for my YouTube videos. And so now we're finna just move the thing on the back. Just keep going, y'all gonna see we're going more warmer. And I got it on the max. So look, y'all, this is the warmest it goes. This is how I like my pictures outside to be. Sunlight, sun, give me sun. Give me sun, okay? Yeah, I'm looking in the mirror over there, so don't mind me. But yeah, so when you scoop back, that's what it looks like. And like I said, the darker the room, the more it'll be. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. You like some pictures, I like some pictures. You follow me, I follow you back. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K. Period. The road has been so long, y'all. The road has been so long. So I'm back on my stuff right now. I'm just trying to get video after video after video out. Make sure y'all tune in next week to my Sheen haul and my Fashion Nova haul and my back to school haul. Without further ado, peace.